Hello everybody, and welcome back to the King Fox channel. My name is Matt Conager, and I'm building a Kit Fox Model 7 STI. In this next episode, you're going to see some exciting work where I'm putting some varnish on the horizontal stabilizer and the elevator. It's a necessary evil. The video is a little dry, but maybe you need a video to skip through and pass some time. But if you're building the Kit Fox, you might want to watch it just to see what you need to do to get this done. So in maybe a previous episode, for some reason, I mentioned that there were 3 coats of varnish that need to go on those wooden ribs. After going back over the manual, I could find no place that it mentioned 3 coats of varnish, but I put the 3 coats on there, and I think it's a good idea because some of the ribs are up against some of the metal framing, and getting in all those nooks and crannies can be hard, and you want to make sure that the ribs are covered good, because once you get them covered with fabric, you don't want moisture getting in there and the wooden ribs expanding or bowing or warping out of shape, because that's going to affect your fabric. So prepare yourself and let's jump into the video. Bear with me here, I'm just going to get this out of the way so I can bring this over and take these clamps off. Inspecting the ribs just to make sure I didn't miss any spots with epoxy, because once you start putting on the varnish, you won't be able to put some more epoxy on and get everything to stick. So I'm just checking both sides thoroughly. All right, they're good. Still preparing the area. I'll be using Epoxy Varnish EV400 and Epoxy Varnish Catalyst EV410. You mix it 2 to 1 and you let it sit 30 minutes for induction. I did put 3 coats on here, so I put one on while I was in this garage unit. I mixed up 30 to 40 grams maximum per coat, so it doesn't add a lot of weight. Alright, so the 30 minutes have passed. I'm going to filter through a 60x48 filter into another cup and then begin applying some varnish. This was a pretty tedious process, and doing it while the horizontal stabilizer, or in this case the elevator, was laying down flat wasn't the best. It was a lot better when I hung them up in my garage from the ceiling about eye level, and you could see both sides, just walk around it, and that was pretty much the better way to put all the varnish on, so you could hit all the nooks and crannies and not miss anything. Just about to the end. Then it'll be time to flip it over and check the other side for any missed spots. There we go. And again. some of the dust when I was sanding down those blocks stayed kind of clung to the OSB platform there, so I didn't want it to jump up into the varnish. That's a much better camera angle. You can really see me getting after it here. At this point, I'd gotten the other side completely done, and I got about halfway to the center, and I was running out of varnish, so that was a good stopping point. Time to mix up another batch and finish the last half of this side. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed that. I know it's some good content. So if you haven't already done so, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification to make sure you get alarmed when I post some more rich content like that. So again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all again in the future.